Oh my gosh. Another bird got stuck. Frank!
Dad.
No, be nice to that bird. So I need to get a new bird feeder because this one got a hole in it and birds keep getting trapped in there. And I just looked out the window and here's Frank sitting. Trying to get that bird. I'm not gonna let him get him. No, Frank. Bird, how did you get in there? Do you have a camera that you can take a still picture of him? Oh great, here comes Link.
All right.
We got another bird. See, they keep hopping in through that thing. I gotta go buy a new one.
Gotta need get a new bird feeder. These cats are going crazy.
Nuts.
Oh.
Frank. No.
Oh no, both of them.
No. This is not a treat.
Oh.
It's not a treat. Alright, let me try here. No.
Oh.
Oh gosh. Alright, here we go. Ready? Let's see if he can get out. Come on. Come on, bird. Come on. How did they keep getting in there? Come on. There you go. Good grief.